just retired with a 2 crore corpus, and now comes the bigger question. How do I make this money last for the next 25 years and still sleep well at night? Many retirees worry about running out of money, especially with rising expenses and falling interest rate. But with the right investment plan, your retirement corpus can do two things at once. It can provide regular monthly income and also grow enough to outpace inflation. So let us compare two real world strategies and see which one actually works long term in this video. So hi there, welcome back to holisticinvestment.in, where we simplify the world of personal finance for individual investors like you. So scenario 1, the all conservative portfolio. So let us say you put the entire 2 crore into a conservative mix of senior citizen savings scheme SCSS and post office monthly income scheme POMIS and bank FDs or low risk debt instrument. You start withdrawing 10 lakhs per year with a 6% annual increment to keep up with inflation. Sounds safe, right? But here's what happens by age 85. Your corpus value would be negative 59.26 lakhs. Yes, negative. Your money runs out. Why? Inflation erodes purchasing power and annual withdrawals rise, but the portfolio doesn't grow. So there is no equity to fuel long-term compounding. This is the danger of playing it too safe. Your portfolio feels stable, but it can't last. So what's the alternative? There is another scenario. Scenario number 2, diversified, which is mostly the ideal portfolio. So here's a smarter, sustainable way to invest that same 2 crore. So your portfolio allocation could be 30 lakhs to SCSS for stable interest, 6 lakhs to liquid fund as a buffer for the year 1, 68 lakhs to debt funds for stability and regular income, and 96 lakhs to equity mutual funds for long-term growth. Why this mix? Because it gives you liquidity in the short term, income in the medium term, and growth in the long term. So let's walk through how this works. Here 1, when you're at the age of 61, your living expenses, let's assume, is 6 lakhs, which is entirely funded from the liquid fund. No withdrawals from equity or debt, and SCSS interest of 2.46 lakhs provides bonus income. Here 2 onwards, SCSS continues giving 2.46 lakhs per year. Remaining expenses are met through SWP, which is a systematic withdrawal plan from debt funds. Withdrawals increase by 6% annually to adjust for inflation. Equity portion stays untouched for several years, compounding quietly. This balance keeps your withdrawals smooth and predictable. But here's the magic ingredient: annual rebalancing. Each year, a portion of equity gains is shifted to debt to lock in profits, refill the debt bucket, and reduce risk as you age. So the result? By age 80, annual withdrawals rise to 30 lakhs, which is inflation adjusted, and remains the corpus intact and growing. By age 85, your corpus is still around 1.89 crores. So the entire equity portfolio is now shifted to debt for safety. SCSS continues giving stable income. You have peace of mind plus financial security and even a legacy to leave behind. So what's the lesson here? Conservative strategies may feel safe, but they can fail you in the long run. A diversified strategy backed by rebalancing and smart withdrawal extend the life of your corpus and protects your lifestyle. So what is the final takeaway from this video? 2 crore corpus is powerful, but how you manage it decides whether it lasts 10 years or 30. So do you want to preserve wealth, beat inflation, and sleep well without money stress? Then don't just invest. Invest with a plan. Consult with a certified financial planner who as a professional will help design a personalized retirement plan to tailor to your lifestyle, income needs, and tax situation. So click the link in our description to schedule your free consultation today. And if you found this helpful, like the video to support the channel, share it with a friend or a parent who's nearing retirement, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical, no fluff financial planning insights, because smart retirement isn't just about saving, it's about strategy. So until next time, thank you for watching.
You can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, We also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.